In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to edit your Squarespace website. Using the innovative Fluid engine, you will start by logging into your Squarespace account and then navigate to your website. Once on your website, choose the page you wish to modify, and click the Edit button usually located in the top left corner of the page. This action will cause your page to enter edit mode, where you can distinctly see the outlines of your content sections. The site may take a few moments to load in this new mode, so be patient as it initiates. As the page takes shape, you will then proceed to add a block. You can do this by hovering over the page section where you're looking to append new content. In the upper left corner of this section, a button labeled Add Block is there for you to click. You may also opt for any visible plus icon visible on the grid for the same purpose. Following that, a menu pops up with different blocks such as text, image, button, form, and others. Choose the one you wish to add to your page. After selecting your block, the next step is to move the block if required. This task is as simple as clicking and holding the block, then dragging it anywhere on the section's grid. If you want to resize the block, just click on the block once, and a blue bounding box will appear. You then click and drag any of the corners or edges of this box to resize the block to your liking. The block will obediently snap to the grid lines. An interesting feature of the Fluid engine is the elimination of spacer blocks. This means you can create more empty space by making your blocks smaller or moving them further apart. If you want to overlap one block with another, simply drag one block on top of the other. When two or more blocks are overlapped, a toolbar will materialize above the selected block. Here, you can use the Move Forward or Move Backward icons to control which block appears on top. Moving ahead, you can switch to Mobile View while still in edit mode. Click the Mobile View icon, which resembles a small smartphone, typically located in the top right corner of your screen. The editor will instantly switch to a mobile preview, an interactive interface where you can drag, resize, and reorder your blocks meant specifically for mobile users without affecting your desktop design layout. Also, you can make section-specific modifications by hovering over a section and clicking the Edit Section button. A pop-up menu provides you with various options such as adjusting the grid's row count, adding gaps between blocks, setting the section's height, adding a background image, video, or art, and changing the color theme for that specific section. Once you are satisfied with all the changes and modifications made, go to the top left corner of the screen and click Save to publish your changes live. If you feel like discarding your changes, click Exit. Thus, editing your Squarespace website using the Fluid engine is made very simple and intuitive. The ability to see your changes in real time gives you an edge while designing your site to perfection.